So, 1 week ago, I went to this website called Flower Nose because there was a lot of like aesthetic makeup products, but the prices were also very aesthetic. So I thought of making like customizing my own mirror, and this is the inspiration for it. So let's get started. So this is the mirror I ordered online, and now I'm mixing black and peach colored clay to make like a grayish color. Now I am making the designs and I stuck them on. I wasn't happy with the placement of the star, so I opened it and stuck it back again. And as I was making all of the details, I understood why the price was that high. Anyways,